noisy. I don't know how the fleck do you guys call it, but I call it noisy. This is how we're gonna do it. Look, we are gonna grab like showing, okay? Okay, never mind. I'm gonna buy some stuff that can make noise, like something like this. Or this. Like dang, this one is another one. It's another one. This is another one. It's another one. Oh, that one is a good one. Okay. And this one too, you can have like that. You can have noise like that. Okay? That was it, guys. The next episode, part 2, we're just gonna go to part 3. I'm just going to part 1, then 1 week part 2, 1 week part 3. That's mean I'll see you guys to part 2. Bye! Thank you for watching.